They say you can't bring a luxury apartment into the wild, but Grand Design just proved everyone wrong. We are looking at the brand new 2026 Lineage Series F, the 4x4 beast that is officially taking over the Super C world. From a residential-grade interior to a chassis built to conquer mountains, this is the ultimate home on wheels. Let's see if this rig is actually worth the hype. Let's dive in. Exterior. First off, look at this stance. It's built on the massive Ford F600 4x4 chassis, featuring an aggressive Raptor-style grille and a heavy-duty Line X front bumper. It is 34 feet of pure muscle, wrapped in premium full-body paint. But the real magic is the Fox factory suspension, fully adjustable for highway cruising or rugged off-roading. You get a 15,000-pound towing capacity, an 8,000-watt diesel generator, and a massive 1,000-watt solar package on the roof for total off-grid freedom. Plus, the 13-foot armless awning comes with built-in wind sensors and an exterior 40-inch smart TV for the perfect outdoor setup. Step inside, and the truck vibe completely disappears. The Harbor Loft design features European-inspired cabinetry and residential finishes that feel like a high-end condo. The layout is a game-changer, utilizing dual slides to open a massive living area with power theater seating and a 10-cubic-foot fridge. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with solid surface countertops leading back to a bedroom featuring a 70 by 80-foot king-sized bed. Finally, the rear corner bath offers a 36-inch oversized shower and a dedicated prep area for a stackable washer and dryer. It's a true mobile home. Performance. Under the hood sits the legendary 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 diesel, pumping out 330 horsepower and a mind-blowing 950 foot-pounds of torque. The driving experience is incredibly smooth, thanks to liquid spring technology at the rear and a seamless 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're flying down the interstate or navigating a rocky trail, the 4-point hydraulic leveling jacks and more-ride steel frame keep the entire experience rock solid and stable. Current 2026 pricing. Now, let's talk numbers. Luxury and power of this caliber require a significant investment, but for the quality provided, it is highly competitive for 2026. The MSRP for the 2026 Lineage Series F starts at approximately $306,000, with fully loaded models reaching up to $325,000, depending on the selected options. In today's market, that is a solid price point for a rig that combines a 4x4 powerhouse with a 5-star living experience. So, is the Lineage Series F the new king of the road? For those wanting to go anywhere without leaving comfort behind, the answer is a resounding yes. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of motorhomes, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tours of the world's most incredible rigs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.